Hey you guys, today we're going to talk about filters and adjustment layers. Alright, so filters are really easy. You just go up to the filter tab here, you take your image, and it will apply it to whatever you have selected. So right now I don't have anything selected, but that doesn't matter, it'll just apply it to the whole image. So we're going to come up here, we're going to just do some brush strokes, do ink outline, and it brings up this. Over here we can affect the different settings. You know, each filter is going to have different kinds of settings, light intensity, that kind of thing. And you can mess with the image that way. Control Z and get rid of it. Something I'd really recommend doing before you start messing with filters though is pressing Control J, and what that does is it duplicates your layer, so that if you mess up and you say, oh well, I don't really want to do that, then you still have your original image behind it and you can save it. Alright, so we're going to come up here and go to just like pixelate, and you can see how it changes the image. But filters are really good when you use them correctly. Try not to overuse filters because it will take away from the image. Like right now we already have a pretty good image, so we might not want to use a whole lot of filters on it. Alright, so play with the filters, and you'll find that you like some more than others, and yeah. Alright, so we're going to come over here to adjustments, and adjustments work really similar to how filters work. They'll change whatever you have selected. The only difference is when you use an adjustment, it creates an adjustment layer. So let's say we use curves, and we're going to bring down the darks and bring up the highlights a little bit, and it kind of makes the image look really cool. Most photographers will use curves to improve their images. But if we come down here to our layers tab, we can see that instead of just applying it to layer 1 like a filter would do, it actually comes up here and creates a mask layer and a curves layer. So we can actually, if we take the visibility off that, we still have our original image underneath it. So that's just a little bit of how adjustments and filters work. I'm not going to talk a whole lot about them because I feel like you should go and play with them. Alright, see you next time.